has it that the garbage is now closed up here. So too many people in the LTVA to keep up with it. Guess that's a good thing. I don't know. We're gonna go check it out. I got a little trash. They're directing everybody over to the other. What are we in? Long-term visitor areas. The other LTVAs. So I got a couple little bags. Let's go scope the situation out. Yep, they be closed. Yeah, we're full. They're directing everybody to Tyson Wash, LTVA North, I believe it was, or West. All the ones that have the dumpsters that aren't full yet. That's where we gotta take our trash. So let's head over there. Right, we're at the entrance of LTVA South. Let's head over here to LTVA West. Supposed to be a dumpster over here. Oh no, this is Tyson Wash. LTVA Tyson Wash. West is just north of us. Somewhere over here is supposed to be a dumpster. Where exactly it's at, I have no clue. Dump station in. I was supposed to go that way for the dumpster. Bet you I was. I think I was. Dumpster, where are you? Alright, I think I'm going to turn around and go through where the new dump's supposed to be. Because apparently that is open enough to go through. Because I'm not seeing a dumpster. Sun out of your guys' eyes, so I'll be back. This is where the new dump's going to be. We hear an 8-station dump station with water fill in this area right here. Found a dumpster yet. We're not dumpster diving, we're dumpster hunting. We got a pretty big area in here marked off. out here in the desert, just because you can see something, don't necessarily mean you can get to it on the way that you're traveling. Nice area back in here. Okay, I don't see the dumpster anymore. I do see a vault toilet back there. There's a vault toilet way over there. I've seen the trash. Is that? Oh, I see it. There it is over there. Get to it. Probably where that truck's going. No, truck's coming towards us. We've come to a T in the road. Let's go this way. Now I kind of remember. We were in here once. There's the dumpster right there. We were in here a couple years ago. We drove through here. No cones. Hey, we're open. Trash is done. See the dumpster. It's not full. But drop the trash off now. Let's head back to camp. That was an adventure. Alrighty, I'm heading back to camp now. Y'all have a good one. Over here. Y'all have a good one. I'm going to go eat breakfast now. Later.